A great thing about nature is that it knows no borders. It moves freely, not caring if I'm a woman or a man, black or white. In its world, we're all visitors, with equal opportunities and equal challenges. Here, I get to travel anywhere, experience anything, become anyone. In return, nature asks for only one thing: to not be taken for granted. If I don't value this passport I'm issued, nature will simply get rid of me and move on. So my journey is of both body and mind, consciously making choices for the both of us, so we both can keep moving freely.